Suno has come out with version 3 of their amazing AI song generating software, and I'm going to tell you all about it right now. In the Explore tab, they do have trending songs that creators have been creating. I want to play you a couple examples so you can see what they're like. So here's one which is I'm a Robot Girl, which is a symphony of rock that has a chorus and has a melody. This is a full, almost 3-minute song that's available for subscribers to use. Let's go for another one. So this one is Synapse Overload. This is ambient new disco, emotional chords, and it's at 104 beats per minute. There's another one called Mutation Chaos. This one is math rock, J-pop, mutation funk, EDM, bounce drop, and dubstep. So a lot of different genres combined. I'm curious to see what this one sounds like. Very fast-paced. But you can see what Suno's capable of. This one is a My Pain blues guitar, minor sad weeping guitar. Love that one. Let's go at this one, which is Black Rose soundtrack cinematic video game. The options are unlimited. The limitation is only just what you want to create within your own mind. But let's go ahead and actually get into creating a song live together. Clicking on the Create tab, you have a custom mode where you can start with your own lyrics. You can choose a specific style. You can extend the song for a lot longer, and you can go from there. And then you just have a more basic mode where you can just type a song description, essentially like using a prompt, creating an image or a video in another AI service, or you're just using ChatGPT. Let Suno do the rest. And then you have the opportunity to toggle on and off an instrumental. And then if you want, you can change between V2 and V3. So I'm going to show you both methods. So let's start with the first one, which is just creating a prompt and letting Suno AI create the song. So I'm going to ask Suno to create a West Coast style hip hop song rapping about how magnificent AI generated songs are. Let's play the first one. So fly, listen to the beats hitting high in the sky. They call it AI, but it's more than just that. That's how the rhythm flows, the perfect connect. From popping down, we're banging those hits. AI music generators ain't nothing missed. They analyze data, they know what we like. Giving us balance, keeping the party hot. AI, taking over the game, making me satisfied. No shame. It's the future we chase. West Coast hip hop with I mean, I'm super impressed with Suno and how far it's come. I mean, the execution is flawless. There's no trip up in the rapping. It sounds great. On the right-hand side, you have the lyrics. You have the ability to remix it. If I wanted to maybe reverse some of the lyrics and put the first verse up above, change the title of the song. There's just so much you can do with Suno, and there's endless possibilities. Now, of course, I could click on the three buttons. If I wanted to go ahead and download it, I could download it as an audio file. I could also download it as a video file. So I'll go ahead and I'll do that, and I'll show you what that's like. So you just get a visual representation. It has the lyrics coming up, and then it's playing the song itself. So if you wanted to share that video or put that up on social media, you can certainly do it. And then, of course, you could create a song link, copy it to your clipboard, share it with someone else. So let's look at the second version now.
Listen to the beats getting high in the sky. They call it AI, but it's more than just that. It's got the rhythm, look, it's the perfect connect. Not been to LA with banging shit. AI music generators, they never miss. They analyze.
Love the first one, but I can't fault the second song. Both of them are good. Let's go ahead and create a custom song from scratch. So I went to the free version of ChatGPT, and what I told it was, you are a Grammy Award-winning songwriter. Write me a rock song about being a Roman gladiator during the Roman Empire. The song should have a chorus and 3 verses. So this is what ChatGPT came up with. Let's go ahead and copy it and put it into Suno. So here I've pasted it in. I don't want to make it an instrumental because I want the lyrics. So the style of music, you can either just write in your own style of music, or you can have Suno randomly generate it, and you can just keep clicking and you'll see that it'll include different genres of music. I want hard rock on this one. And I'm going to title the song Roman Gladiator's Life. Let's go ahead and create it. Here we go. Here's the first version.
In the heart of ancient Rome, where the sands of fame and throne, they're tall and very bold in the arena where legends unfold.
The next anthem of ancient Rome. Let's see what the second version is like.
Of ancient Rome, where the sands of feet are thrown, I stand tall and gladiator bold. In the arena where legends unfold, with thorn in hand and number tight, I face the crowd, I face the fight. Beneath the sun, I take my stand, a warrior of the mighty land. I am the gladiator, fearless and free, in the arena of destiny, with every strike I claim my name in the echoes of the
Stellar work by Suno. I still love the first one, just like the rap song. You could go ahead and you could play along with this and switch up genres and see what it's like. Let's actually try the same song, but as a reggae version. Not quite reggae. And you can see on the left-hand side, I was very specific to indicate that I did want reggae. And when it generated the song, it does have a distinction in the style between reggae and hard rock, but yet it wasn't able to actually generate it as a reggae song. A few quirks here, but no issue. We could always go back and just recreate a brand new song, stipulate it as being reggae. And we can go ahead and we can create a reggae version of it. But let's see if it got the second version right. This one is definitely more reggae style.
In the heart of ancient Rome, where the sands of pain unroll, I stand tall.
I have to correct myself. This one is not 100% reggae. It seems to be a mix of a little bit of reggae and a little bit of rock. Let me know what you think of Suno in the comments below. Are you using Suno yourself to create amazing songs, or maybe you're thinking about using Suno? And if you're interested in learning about even more AI tools, I have a playlist you can click on right here.